Is this desktop fan going to be worth it for your desk setup or even your home office? We're going to find out. When it comes to everything included, you have the fan itself, and then you also have this USB-C cable, which allows you to recharge the fan. It is rechargeable, which is nice. And then you also have a sticky pad. So if you look on the bottom, you can actually mount this on a different surface. So if you want to actually go right here, mount that on there, and then put a sticky pad so you can actually mount this on a wall, and then you can hang it, which is pretty interesting. So if you don't want to just have it on a desktop, you can actually mount it somewhere. It does have a nice rotation as well. I believe it rotates all the way 180 degrees up. So fully pointed up, that'd be 180, but it doesn't have that big of a rotation when it comes to a downward angle, but the up one is pretty nice, and you can always adjust it according. Your buttons are pretty straightforward. You have your power button right here, and then you have your speed up and speed down, so very simple. As you can see, I have it on the first setting, so there's 5 total settings. So I'm gonna go up now, and it tells you the fan speed. So yeah, super adjustable, really easy to adjust it as well. I'm gonna put it on the max speed so you can kind of see how hard it blows, and I'm sure you can hear it on the mic. Let me just show you. So you can see it's blowing pretty hard, which for a desktop fan, perfect, right? You're gonna be sitting at your desk. All you need is a little bit of air coming in. You're good to go. The max setting will definitely be plenty. But yeah, overall, I think this thing is really compact. It's really easy to use, really user-friendly. If you're looking for a fan for your desktop or your home office on your desk, definitely would recommend. It's really simple. It also does have these nice little padded bottom pads as well. So if you don't want your desk getting ruined, don't worry. It's padded on the bottom. And it also doesn't move a lot as well because of those pads. So definitely would recommend if you're looking for a desktop fan. Super user friendly and gets the job done.